Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Tam Predicts, and this is a love reading for singles only. And if you're single and you want to fall in love with and you want to know everything about the guy or the girl, this is a reading for you, and it's a timeless reading. I am doing tokens of love. There are 4 different colors you have to choose from, 4 different circles, 4 different tokens. The first one is the color of love, and that's red. First is the red color. Second number is dark blue. Third is yellow, and fourth is light blue. So guys, I'm going to take you through the colors once more. And first one is your red color. If you choose the red color, the second token of love is your blue color, dark blue. The third one is a yellow, and the fourth one is a light blue. So choose whichever color you were the most drawn to, and I'm going to start the readings. And the first one is the red one. So let's see what are your love messages, numbers, names, anything that I can tell you, and what are the channel messages along with it from my spirit guide. So these are the messages for you guys if you've chosen the red token. Focus. If you focus and you manifest, you will get the person you love. This is a live reading. I have a live reading in the sense I'm going to take out the cards along with my reading, and I'm not going to make piles. Normally I make piles of the different whatever the picker pile. Right now I'm doing it live while I'm recording it. So these are your cards. Please focus. Purple color is fantastic for you. So is light blue. Though you've chosen the red one, the red token of love. So these are the colors for you, and I feel your spirit guides are here, and there is a lot of warmth in this card, a lot of glow. The person you are going to fall in love with will soon come into your life, and I get a big 1 or 2 months. So this is right now I'm recording it in May. Whenever you see the reading, it's timeless. But whenever you see it, 2 months from now, you're going to, or within 2 months, you're going to find the person you're going to fall in love with. Karma. You believe in karma, or karma? Good karma will come back to you. I feel good karma. I don't get any bad karma. And I feel if you've chosen pile number one, you guys really believe in karma, and you feel that when you do good, you get back good, and it always comes back to you like a boomerang. And you also, maroon is also good for you, and you're also grounded. And the person you love will fall in love with has a past life connection with you. I don't know, I get a very soulmate or a twin flame connection. So you guys are going to meet in 2 months, and when you see the person, the girl or the guy, you will instantly know you'll have a deep connection with the person. Like I always say that I didn't recognize you at first, my soul did recognize you. So that is going to be your soulmate, and you will recognize, your soul will recognize the other person instantly, and you will have an instant beautiful connection. So guys, I also believe that you guys also believe in karma a lot if you've picked up the red token. Let's see what are the other messages for you for singles. This is a love reading for singles. I also have love cards, love messages. Manifestation. It came reversed. Guys, I don't know why you're not believing that you will get the right kind of love in your life, or the person. I think you have had bad relationships and you've given up on love. I don't know why I'm feeling that you're not manifesting. You used to believe in manifestation. You always used to think that you are going to get a very good person in your life, and you are going to get into a relationship with that person, but you losing confidence in yourself. And somewhere you've had such bad relationships, you started questioning yourself that I don't believe in love anymore. I don't think manifestation works. I don't think affirmation works. So I don't know why I feel a lot of you who have picked up the red coin or the red token are feeling like that. I think you can manifest. Probably the time is not right and things were not happening well for you. But 2 weeks within from whenever you hear this reading, or this is May today. This is I think we're sitting on May 3rd. So if you listen to it on May 3rd, or whenever this is, I want to say it's a timeless reading. So whenever you listen to it, 2 weeks from that time, manifestation powers are good. Please manifest and do believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself and you carry manifestation, the manifestation process, well, you will find love. Look in a book. You're missing some kind of a clue for your loved one, or where you'll find your loved one. This has come reversed, but I'm going to read it upright, and that's what I feel like doing. Whichever book you're reading, please go to page number 102. If there's a 102, if it's a thick book, whichever book you're reading, go to page 102, and there will be clues about your loved one. There will probably be like words like humble and black hair, green eyes, some kind of clues you might get. what your how your loved one is going to be, if you're going to fall in love this year or whatever. I wanted to say this summer, so maybe this summer is good for you, because that came out like a channel message. So this summer is going to be good for you, and do look for your answers in the book, and that kind of person you will find. uh, these cards came flying out. Nature signs. So look in the book, and nature signs are also very similar. And this card came flying out. So it is a channel message, guys. And this message, my spirit guides really want me to give you this message, that listen to nature's sounds and nature's signs sometimes. Maybe there is a person in your life who you are interacting with quite a lot, and you started developing feelings for that person, or probably somebody's crossing your path too often, and you're wondering that why is it that I always meet this person in this party, or whenever I you go to my Facebook or wherever, and I see this name pop up, or a similar name pop up, or something that's reminding you of that person. So there are always nature's signs, and remember to listen to them, to quieten your mind. The whole day we don't we have so many things going in our mind, we keep it so busy that we don't listen to these signs of nature. And I think look in a book, and nature signs are pretty much similar. They are giving you hints, like the spirits are giving you hints that this is the kind of person you are going to fall in love with, or this is the person you are going to meet at this particular time. So because I got a very channel message, I said summer, so maybe that is one of your messages. So let me see, I'm going to take another pile, because I want to give different messages from different decks, and let's see what is your other message, what is your other love message. I'm also going to take out alphabets. People that you might fall in love with, their name could begin from that alphabet. So these are all could and should and will. I always say, please act on your free will. At the end, you know what is the best thing for you to do, and that's always the best answer to your life or your life purpose. When you know what you have to do, it is good to be it is good when we all can guide you, or give you messages, channel messages. But in the end, please do what you think is right for you, because you know your situation the best. Progress, not perfection. So I think if you have picked up the red token, so this is talking about that little steps towards your loved one are also important than just jumping into a relationship. And it's not going to be that you've just met a week ago or a week back, and you're like, let's get committed, let's exchange rings, or it's going to take time. And I think the person you're dealing with will also want you to commit slowly and to take the relationship slowly. Or probably you are like that, you want to take little steps towards being serious if you found the one you want to fall in love with. So you're not going to jump into the thing and say, okay, let's get married in a month's time. There's nothing wrong in it, but I think you're the kind of person, or the person you're going to meet, it will be the kind of person who wants to take it slowly. And that's also a fantastic way to take a relationship forward. So you also get to know the seriousness of the person, how long the person will stick around and will be committed and dedicated to you. Though I always say every love situation is different. This is more about taking small steps. Maybe you are like that. So that's what I'm putting emphasis on again and again. I get a lot of air and fire energy in this pile. I don't know why. Either you are air or fire, or the person you're going to be is air or fire. Guys, please check it. I always forget who's under air and who's under fire. Those are the elements of zodiac signs, and the 12 zodiac signs are categorized or put under these signs. So do check it out. Heightened intuition, not using it. That's what I said. You can manifest, you have the intuition, you're not using it. Even the manifestation and the intuition card came reversed. Guys, go to my manifestation video in YouTube, on my YouTube channel. Just follow it, just do the 5 steps. Follow the 5 simple steps, and you can manifest. You can get anybody in your life that you want, or you can get anything in your life what you really dream about or want. And you can make it a reality if you follow it well. But I think you're not using your powers here right now. I don't know why I feel that. And I think you have manifested before. You have used your intuition very well, but right now you are really not using your powers. I don't know why I just got the message sunny side up. I don't know what it means. Probably you like your eggs that way. You like to have your eggs that way. I don't know why I got sunny side up. Or maybe it's going to be bright for you. Or maybe you like being in the sun. A lot of people like winters more than summers, but I think you people like summers more than winters. You like winters. So that's what I got. sensitive emotions right now, because this card came reversed. So I think you are now thinking about things with your head. You're using your head more than your heart, and I think when you're using your head more than your heart, you're forgetting to manifest, and you're putting too much practicality into the whole thing. So if you want to manifest, also get a little bit emotions into the whole picture, or when you're manifesting, because when you manifest, you have to really put all your emotions. You have to get all your emotions together and feel the thing that you're manifesting. So maybe you're doing too much, thinking with your head that I can't manifest, and it's very difficult to manifest, and I don't believe in it, or it's not happened, or once it happened and next time it didn't happen. There is something going on in your head, and that's why you're not manifesting. So put all your emotions when you're manifesting. Don't think with your head, is again what I'm saying again and again. If you don't feel your emotions, if you don't bring out all your emotions, or focus your emotions to the particular thing that you want in your life, it's not going to happen, guys. Because one of the rule of manifestations is that you have to be really, really one with the idea that you're trying to manifest, and you have to really feel it with all your emotions, like the way I'm saying it. So let's see, what are your love messages? Friendliness. I think, yeah, the person was a friend to you. You're a friend to a person, and you want to take it to the next level. Maybe that's why you wanting it to be slow in the whole process. That you want to take it bit by bit and see how it develops, or what happens in the relationship. And I think the other person is seeing you like a friend. It could also be like that. That right now you are good friends, and you really want to take this relationship to the next level. But you two both know, and I think you've talked about it, that let's see where it goes, and I don't want to lose my friendship with you. And I think you also have developed different kind of feelings for me. You see me as a lover, so maybe we can turn this friendship into something else. And I think your life partner is one, or the person you fall in love with also. If the person can be a good friend to you, is also a fantastic thing, because when you're friends also, you can talk about anything and everything under the sun, and you're comfortable with each other. So it's not that always it happens that a friendship does turn into being a love relationship. But if you're friends and you want to take it to the next level, and you both believe in that relationship, and I think that's fantastic then. So that's one of the messages, love messages for you guys. Let's see what's the next love message. Action. Get into action. This is the time of action. Yes, if you've chosen the red token, this is the time to turn being friends to being lovers before you're friend zoned by anybody. So it's a time of action, of telling the other person that you are in love with that person, or you want to take it forward. Or maybe the other person comes and tells you. I also get the other person then will come and tell you in 3 weeks that I'm in love with you. Let's take it to another level, or will express his or her feelings for you. I also feel that somebody you didn't know about, had those feelings for you, will express those feelings to you. And if you want to fall in love with, if you want to look for a partner, a mate, and I think that's the time. This is the time to put things into action. So be active on all the dating sites, or whatever you believe in, or through friends, or whatever I get. It's time to put things into action. So let me see the alphabets that you will get. I'm going to take out some alphabets. I'm going to just jumble them up and get alphabets out, whatever I get in my hand. So you might fall in love with a person whose name starts with C, a person whose name starts with E, a person whose name starts with O, a person whose name starts with M, and a person whose name starts with A. Sorry, alphabet A. So these are not necessarily that you will fall in love with these people only, and you actively look for these people. These are just guidances. You might or might not. I also got an R. This, I don't know if I said an R before, but this fell from I have a little bag, and it fell from their cloth bag. So R is also important. So guys, one of these, not all of these, and yes, don't actively look for the alphabets. So these were your readings. I want to just take out one card. I want to shuffle and take out one card. I don't know why I want to do that. Sometimes I take an extra card out, or even when I'm going to finish the reading, I just don't. It's something will happen suddenly. You will fall in love suddenly. I don't know why I get it. It's the Fool energy, and maybe your story, because this is a major. I find this is the major card where your story revolves around, and or either the person will instantly fall in love with you. It will be love at first sight. I don't know why I get it. For a lot of you, it's going to be love at first sight. I got O again here, so this could be zero or O, whatever you, however you want to take it. I read my tarot very differently, so this is not how readers read it. I'm a psychic reader. I just make million versions of my tarot cards of the same card. So I get a lot of energy where you are a risk taker, and suddenly you'll instantly fall in love. I get an instant love. I don't know why I get this, and especially if your name starts with O, or the person's name starts with O, or something to do with O, maybe a dating site or somewhere. Probably O is important for you in the game of whatever the game is, the game of love. O is important for you. And it says good friends. See, good friends are going to turn into lovers. This is red. This is so much of a good friend being turning into a lover. I get that energy quite big. So if you're dealing with a friend, you have a friend and you started developing feelings, or the other person has started developing feelings, your friend, and you don't know about it, and you also like the person and you don't know how to say it, the person is going to say it or you're going to say it, and it's going to happen instantly. One morning you're going to get up and say, I have to let it out of my chest. This is a burden for me. I have to tell the other person that I really feel for the person. So this is going to happen. So those were your messages. That was pile token number one. I'm not going to say pile number one. So those were for the red pile. So let's see what is for the blue pile right now. This is dark blue, and there's no pile. I'm doing messages side this, live only in the reading. I'm just taking out one card. I haven't made any pile, and that's how I'm doing the reading. So this is for dark blue. What are your love reading? What are your love readings? If you've chosen dark blue, what are the messages for you guys? Celebration, something, happiness. Look at this commitment, guys. A commitment is coming very soon. You've been blessed. There are fairies around you. Your loved ones and spirits are around you. Some kind of a commitment is happening, where you already are engaged and you're going to get married, and the marriage is going to happen soon. But this is for singles. I'm going to take it as the guy is going to tell you or the girl is going to tell you, and there'll be an exchange of rings, or you'll be exchanging promises that I will get married to you, or I want to get married to you right now. So if you're a single person, somebody is going to propose to you, and either you're going to propose to someone and you are going to be single no more, but right now you're single, and I really feel you're going to propose to someone. I get an August or a September. You're going to propose to that person you love in August or September is what I get. This is a beautiful magical picture. The girl is happy, the boy is happy, and it's like they're together in a fairyland. And I also feel that your romance story is very much like out from a romance novel or something, or a book. And it was like a fairy tale when you two met. Even the stories like that, and I get everything. I get a lot of magical things around this, and it's beautiful, and you're going to have a beautiful life together. So if the other person is not proposed, the other person is going to propose to you very soon is what I get. That's a nice card. Celebrations. So we begin with celebrations with the dark blue token. Dark blue is good for you. I don't know why I want to say it, but dark blue color is very good for you. Indigo is very good for you. Those colors are very good for you. The night sky, almost when you have a dark blue kind of a sky, and like we see it in pictures, and you have stars on it. And I really think I'm getting that kind of an energy for you guys. Sorry, I'm shifting, but I got tired. Let's see what is the other message for you guys. What is the message for people who've chosen the blue token, the token of love, blue color? This is for singles. Go outside. I think you want to meet your loved one, because this comes reversed. I think you haven't met your loved one for a long time. This is a COVID situation. Yes, you are living somewhere else. The other person is living somewhere else, and you really want the situation to settle, that you can run out and meet your person. And I think you're really missing your person. The girl is waiting for someone, and she's holding a present, or she's also writing a book, and she's also wanting to send you flowers, or the person is wanting to send you flowers, or the other person wants to send you flowers or something. And I don't know why a lot of you use a flower emoji also. Like you have the emojis, and I think you use flowers also in your emojis. And this is a person wanting to go out to meet the lover. I think you've been separated because of the COVID situation, and you really want to meet the other person, and you will soon meet the other person. I get July, after July 13th, I think you're going to meet meet your loved one. These messages are also always different. Sometimes it forms a story, sometimes it doesn't form a story, because this is a general message and a lot of you are listening to it, so it might or might not resonate. Guys, always remember that, and always act from your free will at the end. We all can guide you, but whatever you do in the end is always your free will. So you really want to go inside and outside and meet the person. That's what you want to do. Yeah, because the inside came as a channel message. I think inside you are here, the other person is living somewhere else, and it's you really want to break free. Maybe a lot of things going inside, and that's why the channel message came out that you're inside and you feel like breaking chains and just going outside. Protect your dreams. I don't know why I feel this was a new relationship. A lot of you are single, but you just got into a relationship. So I'm going to say it is as good as being single, and you are fearing that you just met the person. You could not spend much time with the person. Will the person forget me because of the COVID situation or whatever? That I'm locked inside and he's in another place or she's in another place. Will this go anywhere or not? I feel that you are asking this question: will this relationship go somewhere else or not? Because the other person is somewhere else and you are somewhere else right now, and that's worrying you, and that's keeping you up at night. I think protect your dreams, have faith. I understand that you've just met the person and you were single for a lot of for a long time. The person is waiting for you. Don't worry, you're not going to lose the person. I also feel a lot of you are also asking the question that is the person dating somebody else also, and you're not really sure, and that's also breaking your heart every day. And I also feel a lot of you did ask the other person, that you do you really like me, or we just started going around. Are you going to wait for me? Are you seeing other people? I don't know why am I getting these questions if you've chosen the dark blue pile. Pure intention. Yeah, that's what you are questioning the other person. You don't think the other person has pure intention. You just think that you just met on a dating site, and I don't know if the person will be serious about me. Is the person dating a lot of people? This is a woman who's just thinking, or a man who's just thinking that I just met the other person recently on a dating site or whatever, and I don't know the person. And when I just started enjoying the whole friendship or the relationship, this situation happened, and I haven't been able to meet. And you also just wondering if the intentions of the person are pure or not. You really thinking that does he or she really want to be with me, or it was just that we are locked down and there is free time and the person is just having fun. So those are your questions on the mind, and I think you should ask the other person, and you shouldn't feel like that, and you will know the intentions of the person soon enough. Guys, you enjoy listening to music, and I feel that you've not been listening to music. I don't know why I feel that. Sometimes listening to music also settles your mind down, calms you a lot. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. That one wanted to come out. Let me see. Heightened intuition. Your intuition is somewhere right if you've picked up the dark blue pile. You're wondering the person is having fun with me or not, or probably you are right. I think if you're thinking the person is not serious, the first card was a celebration card, so those are for different people, messages, and because this is a general message, so maybe this intention is coming, that your intuition is very right. It's leading you to thinking that if the person is thinking right or not for you, or is just having fun. So this is for you. If you're thinking about that, it is also a heightened intuition. If that person is going to propose to you and a celebration card did come, so maybe that person is committed. So go by your intuition, whatever you feel. I feel if you really newly got into being friends or met at a dating site, then your intuition is probably right. And if you met a month or 2 months ago and it did turn a little serious, and if the person is asking you that let's celebrate a second anniversary, third month anniversary, or whatever, then I think the person's intentions are right, and you will get guided by your intuition, and you know it. So it could be either of the situations. And I also feel that time reveals all. So spend time, you'll get to know all your answers if the person is really wanting to be with you or not. Let's see what are the other cards saying. God is supporting you. Don't worry. Whatever decision you take, I feel God is supporting you, and you will have all your right answers. And this is, if, look at the colors, this is so similar. Dark blue is the color for you guys. You are going to realize the situation very well. It's like your eye opening, and your mind will be so sharp that you will know if the person is lying to you or not, if the intentions are pure or not. Just listen to yourself, because your intuitions are heightened right now, and God is supporting you, everybody's supporting you, intuition is supporting you. So I feel you will know, your mind is going to be very sharp, you're going to act very smartly, and you will know if the person is just playing with you or is actually serious with you, guys. You know if the person is serious about you. I feel that. And those are the questions in your mind for pile blue. The second pile, or whatever, the live pile that I've been taking out cards from. Let me see what are the other messages. Unfoldment. Unfoldment. In here, this card I'm going to read very differently, because this is coming after the cards that I read. You are going to blossom like a flower. Something is going to get unfolded. Whatever mystery, whatever questions you wanted will come to you. Blue is actually good for you. Dark blue color is good for you. You are going to be a lotus. You will also understand in this situation, like lotus is always in a dirty pond. You will also know, you'll also blossom. You will find the right answers. If the person is trying to act smart with you or something, you will find the answers, and the situation will unfold. So those are the channel messages that I'm getting. I read these cards very differently every time when I'm doing a reading, guys, and they normally sit in the reading well in a story or whatever it is forming. So let's see what is the other one? What is the other one saying? Let me see what are the other cards saying. Shape shifting. You are worrying. Somebody is changing shapes. This is actually becoming one kind of a reading. You're worried. You're worried that is the person is the way the person portraying himself or herself, is that the true self they're portraying to me? Are they wearing a mask? Will they change suddenly after this situation settles down? Right now they are being very nice, they are being trying to be very genuine, but you are feeling otherwise, guys. If you're feeling otherwise, just be careful if you have this blue pipe, because every message I'm getting is leading to the same thing, the same path, and it's trying to dig up the same thing again and again, and the same question that's troubling your mind. And right now you are using all your wisdom and intellect to answer your questions, is what I get. Blessings are there. You will find the right answer. These are celebrations and blessings. So for people who think there is truth in the relationship, the person is not just having fun, there is no player energy in it, and the person is serious about it, there'll be blessings. Then this relationship will go a long way. Guys, I really feel this relationship will go a long way if you know the truth about the person, and you know the person is not acting smart or otherwise, or is not revealing his or her true self. So this reading is two pronged. It's going to prompt. It's going two different ways. So either the person you just met is you're going to be blessed with a lifelong relationship, and there's going to be celebration, or either you will find the truth about the person, is what I get. Synergy, work, and it's coming reverse. So you two are not going to work together. I don't know why I get that. You will put each other out of balance. Sorry guys if the reading is becoming a little negative. I want to give all the right answers to you. I want to give it's not always positive, guys. So I have to caution you. I have to caution you, whoever is listening to this reading. So you guys will be out of balance. I don't know, one of you, or this thing is not going to work. This relationship is not going to work. It's going to be out of balance in some way, and you will find out soon. I don't know why I get that. You guys will find out your answers soon. See what are the answers. Submerged. Something is submerged. I'm going to take it like this. Something is submerged. You don't know the truth. Guys, something needs to come out of the surface, out of the closet. Just be careful with the person you're dealing with. Online dating sites are uh, not bad, but there is not something not right happening here. Something is hidden. Probably, I don't know why I get even the name is not right, that you know the name. So just do your little bit detective work, and everybody's good at detective work. When you have to find out who the person is, do check out profiles, do try to do a background check. If you really don't fall in love so soon or so suddenly with the person, there's a lot that needs to be revealed, guys. So just be careful. This is a reading of caution. It's becoming take caution. So it's always good to be prepared with all these things. Let me take out another card. Vigilance. See, guys, that's what all the cards are saying. Guys, please be vigilant. You've not been vigilant. You have been too vulnerable. Just be careful, guys. Every card is becoming a red flag. I didn't want this reading to be like this because I can't help it, because the spirit guides are saying if you've chosen the dark blue token, please be vigilant with the person you're dealing with, especially if you've met the person recently. It could also be that you've met the person and you want to take it to another level. It's a singles reading. Just be careful, guys. You have to be vigilant. I want to say it again and again because every card is giving the same story. Let me see what the fairies are saying for you. I hope this is a good card, and it's inspiring you to do something or motivating you to go in a particular way, or is telling you something, another message probably that will help you. Yeah, pray to God, believe in God, and go the right way. You will get your answers. I get a fire energy. You are a fire energy. And if you're a fire energy, whoever you're dealing with, please be careful. Don't take any chances with the person. Don't meet the person too soon. First, do a background check. Like I said, do the profile check or whatever. Or if you met the person through friends, however you've met the person, so just be careful. I get a lot of fire energy in this card. And it says, I'm going to read it out to you. You have the ability to see your current situation with crystal clear clarity. So I said, guys, like I told you, you are smart, you are wise, and you are very clear about the situation, or you're going to be very clear. And there is something that extra that you're going to find out about the person, which will be a red flag, and you will drop that person, is what I get. So, guys, this is for you. Let me see what another card says. Inner child. See it how a child would see it. Sometimes when we see things like a child, we pull ourselves out of the situation and react like a child would see. That this person is fooling you, or probably that this person thinks you're already a child, and the person can fool you. I'm going to read it this way. I think this is better. That the person thinks you're just a kid. You don't know much about it. You don't know much about relationships, and the person can mess with you, and the person doesn't know that you're not a child. You know. So just be careful, guys. I'm going to take out some alphabets for you. Let's see. So probably these are the letters you're dealing with, our alphabets. Name begins with C. I got a C again in the last reading. I got a C. I got a G. I got a O again. E. T. S. And I. If you're dealing with any of these alphabets, please be whatever, prepared, or be vigilant, or have caution. Keep caution while dealing with the other person. So those are the alphabets. It's not necessary, guys, that you have to be scared of the person, or these are the alphabets. This is just a guidance, and these are the alphabets that you might be dealing with. So even if you're dealing with somebody else and you have this things at the back of your mind that the person is not right for you, the whole situation is not right, so please address that. Listen to your inner voice, and you will know the answer. So if you have chosen the dark blue token, so these were the messages for you. Just be careful, guys. I don't want you to be hurt or anything wrong happening to you, guys. Let me see. I want to give a few more messages. And I hope these messages are a little different because the dark blue pile is getting similar kind of messages all the time. Some kind of a letter is coming, some kind of a news is coming to you. There is something that will reveal, there'll be a revelation. So there is some kind of a letter coming. I hope it's good news, guys. You really need good news or something that is revealed to you. Probably there's a message that's sent to you and something gets revealed to you, and that's good. Because even if you find out beforehand that the person is actually wearing a mask and the person is not like that, what he's portraying or she's portraying, that'll be good for you. It says be cautious. I'm going to read this star card as just being cautious. Just be careful. So, guys, everything, just be careful. If the person has been promising, I get it like this, I just got a channel message. If the person is just promising you sun, moon, stars, just be careful of that person. If he or she has promised you, sun, moon, stars too soon in the relationship, or has just started becoming very serious, just be very careful of the person. This is more of a hollow victory. I also get A. Somebody's going to offer you something. Just be careful not to cut your heart. I don't know why I get that sword energy. And this word means to me like this. I don't know. It's also an air sign you're dealing with, or you're an air sign. I also get that you're dealing with an Aquarius. Just be careful, guys. Those were your messages. I want to give 2 love card messages also. Let's see what the messages are for you, love cards. And if one pile doesn't resonate with you, or whatever one token doesn't resonate with you, the color, you can also check out the other ones. Sometimes you are attracted to two different colors, so that's also fine. You can read, you can listen to both the readings. Priorities. Understand your priorities. What do you want? Is it self-love? Is it the other person? Is it you? Who is your priority right now? What is your priority? Just remember that. Do you have to fall in love right now, or it is not the time for you right now, or you have to get over a relationship? What is the priority right now? You have to find yourself. Probably the relationship you are in is not really a priority right now, and it was just for fun. Also, keep your self-respect and self-worth. Those are the messages I got. What is the purpose of you falling in love or meeting that person, or what is the purpose of the other person falling in love or meeting you or crossing your path? Remember that. Is that person here for a short while, for a life lesson, or to stay longer with you? You have to find your purpose. So these are different messages. Could be different messages. Could sit along with one. Could be one thread to a story, like I always say, or could be different for you every time. So this is a detailed love reading, guys, for singles. Priorities came again. Are you making the wrong person your priority? Guys, I don't know why I want to say this. It's a channel message. Are you making the other person your priority too soon? It's just started. I don't know why I get that. Your relationship has just started. Why do you want to, give so much importance to the other person without loving yourself first? Or suddenly you've fallen in love, or whatever, and the person has become so important in your life that you're not thinking about your family or your friends, and you're cutting ties with people because you're spending so much time with the person. So just be careful, whoever you make your priority in your life, because time is precious and you don't want to give all your time to just one person. You also have a lot of empathy. So I don't know why a lot of you could be an empath, or one of you could be an empath who's listening to this. So you feel the emotions of the other person. I also feel that the person you're involved with could be draining your energy. I don't know why I get that. If the person is always talking about how it's not right for him or her, not feeling well, and this is wrong or this is right, I feel like a crybaby energy. I wanted to say, I wanted to say a crybaby energy. So I don't know why somebody's attached to you and is draining you out. And suddenly, when since the time you've started going around with this person or you met this person, you feel drained all the time. And I think you're doing a lot of listening than talking. The other person doesn't allow. Doesn't give you time to talk and is just talking that how the other person has been heartbroken and is not well, and things are not going right for the person, and how he or she is so glad that you are there to help him or her. So just be careful, guys. I get a lot of energy like that. One more card. Patience, guys. Have patience. The right person will come into your life. So this is also another message that I wanted to give to you guys. Take time, have patience, don't just fall in love. Meet a lot of people. Don't be blinded about don't be blinded and just fall into love. That's what I want to say. So those were your detailed love readings, and for singles only. So if you had picked up the red pile and the dark blue pile, I've done the readings for those not the pile, I'm going to say tokens again because I'm so used to doing piles. So these are your readings. Do subscribe to my channel, and the other two I'm going to do I'm going to upload in another video because I'm going to do two and two together, two together. And this was for the red token and the blue token. So whichever you picked, I hope you enjoyed your reading, and do subscribe to my channel. And whatever you do in the end, remember, do it by free will. Also, please like my videos and do comment. I always read the comments, and the other two I will do upload in another video. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Bye. See you again. Bye.